From ancient times, men and women have embraced sacred music, different forms of prayer, religious vestments full of symbolism, gestures and rituals to express their innermost feelings of devotion to God. The variety of these forms of expression is as wide and diverse as the human family, yet all have the same ultimate purpose: to connect the believer with the object of their devotion in the most personal way, to draw close to God. To those outside a particular faith, the rituals and clothing may seem unfamiliar, but for the participants, they can stir the deepest feelings of the soul, motivate them to do good, even shape the course of a whole life of service. The nun's habit, the priest's cassock, the Jewish prayer shawl, the Muslim skull cap, the saffron robes of the Buddhist monk. All are part of a rich tapestry of human devotion to God. Not all such religious vestments are on public display. Some are seen only in places of worship. Temple robes of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, known as the robes of the Holy Priesthood, are worn only inside Mormon temples and reserved for the highest sacraments of the faith. White symbolizes purity. There is no insignia or rank. The highest apostle and the newest member are indistinguishable when dressed in the same way. Men and women wear similar clothing. The simple vestments combine religious symbolism with echoes of antiquity reflected in ancient writings from the Book of Exodus. In the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, there are no outer religious vestments in ordinary worship services. However, many faithful Latter-day Saints wear a garment under their clothing that has deep religious significance. Similar in design to ordinary modest underclothing, it comes in two pieces and is usually referred to as the temple garment. Some people incorrectly refer to temple garments as magical or magic underwear. These words are not only inaccurate, but also offensive to members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. There is nothing magical or mystical about temple garments, and church members ask for the same degree of respect and sensitivity that would be afforded to any other faith by people of goodwill. Temple garments are worn by adult members of the church who have made sacred promises of fidelity to God's commandments and the gospel of Jesus Christ in temples of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. To church members, the modest temple garment worn under normal clothing, along with the symbolic vestments worn during temple worship, represent the sacred and personal aspect of their relationship with God and their commitment to live good, honorable lives.